Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm a mom and I absolutely hate some of the diaper bags that I have because you can tell that they're diaper bags. But my mom found this Kelly Boss backpack by Itzy Ritzy and I no longer feel like I look like a mom carrying it around. I would take this out even if I didn't have the baby with me. I love all the details on this backpack. I really like the tweed. It feels super nice and it looks so cute. And the vegan leather is really nice too and very easy to clean up. It has this special zipper part right here that comes with its own little change pad. So you don't have to worry about packing a change pad with you. And it's super cute. It says head and toes on it, so you know which way to put the baby, and it wipes down really easy. It has this really cute little tassel and it's got an engraving on it that says you are doing a great job, which is just an awesome thing to see once in a while on your diaper bag. It has these two insulated bottle pockets on either side, which is great because I like to take water bottles with me and these are so big that my water bottles even fit in them. It has this felt lined area for putting your sunglasses or your glasses in when you're not using them. So that's really handy so they don't get scratched up in the bag. There's even a laptop pocket in this, so it's great for if you have to go to work and the baby comes with you. There's so much space and it opens up so wide for you to be able to access everything in there. And it's a perfect size for me. I'm small, but this is a nice big bag without feeling too big. I love how functional this backpack is, but that it's so cute. I'll probably keep using it once I don't need a diaper bag anymore. And that's my point of view.